Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel where we are going to see how to make $10,000 per month with email marketing using solo ads. Now, if you really like my content, I would request you to hit the subscribe button below and hit the bell notification in order to get the very first notice whenever I upload my videos. Now, in this previous part of this training series, we saw how to build a high converting squeeze page for our solo ads traffic. Now, in this part 5 of this training series, we are going to build another high converting squeeze page in order to check which one of these landing pages converts better. Now, let's get straight into our lead pages account. Now, this is my dashboard of my lead pages account. Now you can see the squeeze page which we have created yesterday, which is called test. And when we click on the view button, you can see the squeeze page, which is the landing page which we're going to use if you're going to use solo ads as your traffic. See how simple it is and straightforward is it. So when you're using solo ads as your traffic, make sure that your landing page or the opt-in page is as simple and straightforward as possible with minimum words and not complicated designs. Let's go and create our new landing page. So click on create new landing page. Now in the search bar, search for blank. Click on start building. Now give a name for this landing page. So I'm going to give it as test 1. Click on continue. Now you can see the same interface which we have seen yesterday. And if you really want to know each of these functions, please refer to my previous video in order to learn more about these functions. Now let's get straight into building our squeeze page. Now click on widgets. Now click on text and click and drag it to the center of this page until the blue color box appears, and then just leave the mouse. Now we are going to input the text in this box. So we are going to literally enter free training reveals, something like this. Star. So this is going to be something like the hook, which is going to capture the attention of the visitor. So centralize it and bold it, and then increase the font size to 8. So that's how it looks. Now I'm just going to change the color of this wordings. Let us change it to something like orange. Free training reveals. Now add the text below this. Next. Now I'm going to enter the main header, how newbies marketers are making $3,000 per month with no website, product, or tech skills. So highlight it. Now make this as to 12 and then centralize it, bold it. So that's going to be the header. Now just drag and drop another text. So no more No more struggling to earn online. Dot. Now highlight it, make it to 8, centralize it and then bold it, and then change the color to the most recent color. So now we will add the form. Just click and drag, and until the blue box appears, just drop it, and you can change the call to action. So I'm just going to enter get instant access. And click on the edit styles and change the button color to somewhat to orange. Click on save and you can see the color changed. Now just add the text at the footer. So I'm just going to enter, we respect your privacy and will not spam your email. Bonus will be sent to the email provided above. Just highlight the whole text, centralize it and bold it and keep it as 4. So that's going to be done. Now we are going to change the background color of this page. So just click on the hero and the 3 dots and edit section settings. Now click on the background, the round wheel, recent colors, and add something like a light blue, and now the whole landing page is ready. And you can see the second landing page we have created for solo ads as a traffic. So now you can go and click on the publish button to publish this page and click on the publish. So once published, the page is ready for use, and copy the link and you can test in a different browser or a different tab to check whether the page is working or not. Click on close. Now the page does not require mobile optimization, as the lead pages software does it automatically, as I said in the last training session, that the pages, click on the preview button and you can see the mobile optimization. Now you can see the desktop mode, and when you click on the tablet you can see the whole thing in tablet mode, and when you click on the phone you can see in the mobile mode. So that's all about creating a second landing page for our split testing purpose. Now we have really seen how to build a high converting squeeze page for our solo ads traffic. We have seen two different squeeze pages, and we always need at least two in order to test out which opt-in page gets higher conversion rates. So that's the reason why I showed you two different opt-in pages to be built. Now, for those guys who really want to have a done for you setup of these landing pages and your 45-day email automations built in your autoresponders, and then you have a complete integration of all the lead pages account, your third-party tracking software Optin Dojo, and then your autoresponders, and then with the affiliate marketplaces like Warrior Plus and Explodely, then I would seriously request you to look into this below program, which is called my top recommended mentorship program. Now, in this program, you can go and enroll into the beginners club, where you can really have your done for you setup with a price of $297 one-time offer. Now, for those guys who are really interested in building an online business, and who want to really quit their 9 to 5 job and really live the life of their dreams, then I would seriously suggest you to look into this program called Passive Income Profits by my mentor Ben from Singapore. Now you can click on the link in the description box below, my top recommended mentorship program, to reach this page. Now in this page, welcome to Passive Income Profits, you can scroll down and see the 3 levels of mentorship program available. The first one is Beginners Club, $97 USD. Second one is Star Club, $1997 US. And the last and the final one is the Inner Circle, $6997 US one time. So when you click on the check curriculum for the Beginners Club, you can scroll down and see the different videos available for this on 4 different strategies which is covered. The first one is email marketing. The second one is the social media marketing. The third one is the paid ad success secrets. And the fourth one is course creation success secrets. So you have different videos under these topics, and this is a do-it-yourself program where you can watch these videos and learn on your own and try the online business on your own. So you have everything you need to start building your passive income online business. Now the next one is the Star Club, which is $1997 US. And here, this is for those guys who are in the intermediate and advanced level of affiliate marketing. So in this, you have an up-to-date strategy update on email marketing, paid ads, social media marketing, and course creation success secrets. So in this, you can have one-time weekly group Zoom coaching session of minimum of 60 minutes, and you can get personal Facebook Messenger access to get your questions answered in less than 12 hours. Now, the final one and the most important one is the Inner Circle program. Now, why is this $6997 US? Now, why is the price so high for the Inner Circle? Guys, just listen. This is the promise that has been given by the mentor for this Inner Circle program, which is in order to help you to make $5,000 in profit consecutively for 3 months. That is the time commitment that the mentor is giving you in order to achieve your online success. And with that, you also get one-on-one Zoom coaching session every week, and it's going to be a minimum of 60 minutes. And you can always ask many number of questions, and you will be answered. Guys, just listen. This type of time commitment and your promise of achieving your online business success, no other marketer gives. With that being said, please don't enroll directly into this program by clicking on the Enroll Now button. First, click on the Check Curriculum and always book a Zoom session, complimentary Zoom session before you enroll into this program. Why? Because you always need to have a one-on-one Zoom session with Ben in order to know your goals, aspirations, your time commitment, and most importantly, the budget, so that if it's well suitable and for Ben and whether you can achieve your online success with help of Ben. So always book a Zoom session first and then go on from there. So guys, if you're really serious about your online business, then click on the link in the description box below and enroll into this passive income profits inner circle program in order to achieve your online success. Come along with this and let's succeed online together. If you really like my content, I would request you to hit the subscribe button below and hit the bell notification in order to receive the very first notification whenever I upload my videos. This will really help me to put out additional videos and informational videos that will help you along with your online journey. With that being said, let's meet in the next part of this training series. Until then, bye.